Alam ko di lang kami ang makaka-relate dito. Ang hirap at ang gastos magkaroon ng madaming pets. Isa sa mga problems namin ay ang mga furs na kung saan-saan dumadapo. Tas kung nasan tayo pupwesto, nandun din sila. Pero di natin sila matitiis because they take our stress away at dahil alipin nila tayo, of course, tayo rin na maglilinis. One of our solutions para pababa ang electricity bill namin ay by using our solar-powered power station by Omnivoltec. It's super easy to use because it's plug and play. Plug mo lang yung cord ng solar panel tapos long press mo lang yung button kung saan may sasaksak yung appliance mo. That's it. Then, you just have to wait a few moments and makikita nyo yung input ng watts tumataas na. Since madalas tumambay ang mga pets sa sofa, yun ang lilinisin using our deep cleaning tool. Since we're cleaning our sofa, it will also take time. Look at the consumption, 400 watts. Kaya sobrang tipid. And here's our solar panel. Here's our satisfying clips. Just look, ang dumi. Ayan, it's clean na. Pwede na ulit dumihan. Diba nakapag deep clean na walang konsumo sa kuryente? You can check their working samples at One Guerrilla, Marikina City.